What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. Today, I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Apple AirPods Pro. I pre-ordered on Apple's retail website just 2 days ago. I was supposed to get them tomorrow, October 31st, Thursday, but instead I got them today. Super convenient. It's about 2 o'clock. I'm super excited to have these here in front of me, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of first impressions of the all-new AirPods Pro. They cost me about 250 bucks. I'm super excited to have them in front of me. They've got active noise cancellation. They are sweat and water resistant this year, which according to other sources, the second generation AirPods were not sweat or water resistant, but I've heard differently. So a little bit interesting. Nonetheless, these are sweat and water resistant, so that is according to Apple's website. Let's go ahead and get into the box here. So as you can see, there's just a simple pull tab on the side of the box here. Really nothing extraordinary or out of the ordinary with this unboxing. You get designed by Apple in California. If we just lift off that front tab, of course we get Apple AirPods Pro user manuals, as well as some other information. And at the very bottom of the box, we get the Apple AirPods Pro. So if we just go ahead and take them out of their wrapper, we can go ahead and open them up here. Let's go ahead and bring in the handy dandy iPhone, just so you guys can get a good idea of what the pairing is like. I'm gonna do this upside down for you guys. And it should actually take you through a sort of owner's manual. It should take you through a bit of a walkthrough with the earbuds in. Let's go into Bluetooth. We'll go into Boss's AirPods Pro, which are connected. We'll click Info. And as you can see, you get actually a really nice settings menu in settings itself. As you can see, I have noise cancellation turned on, and if I choose transparency mode, it actually takes advantage of an outward facing microphone, and what it does is it picks up on voices or sound from the outside and channels it into the earbuds themselves. So actually, as I'm talking, my voice is a little bit, it's being channeled through the earbuds themselves so I can hear myself speak really clearly. If I go ahead and turn active noise cancellation on, again, everything sounds crystal clear through the headphones, but really blocks off everything around me. It does a really good job of that. Let's go ahead and do an audio sound test with the noise cancellation turned on and off, and I will check back in with you guys in a few minutes to give you my results. Okay, so the verdict is in. So far, I am already really enjoying using these. I am super happy that they are active noise cancellation. I've been looking for a pair of active noise cancellation earbuds for a while now. When you trigger the ambient noise detection mode, I would like it to maybe lower the volume or maybe turn on some sort of a treble booster and really make my voice more apparent in both earbuds. But when I actually activated the ambient noise mode, my music kept playing at a very high volume, and I still was really unable to make out what the other person is saying to me. Let's just pretend that someone else was talking to me the entire time. When I activated noise ambient mode, it became clear that I still would have a hard time hearing the other person. So it's something really nice to have, but I think overall, if you're gonna talk to somebody or if you're gonna cross a busy street, turn the AirPods off or pull them out of your ear. Having to do with battery life, this charging case provides 24 hours of battery life and 1 hour of playback time if you charge your AirPods for 5 minutes. I believe on a full charge, AirPods Pro are going to be able to have a playback time of about 4.5 hours. Audio quality, better bass, more on par with the Powerbeats Pro. In fact, they are on par with the Powerbeats Pro. Still, these earbuds will not blow you away, just like the Powerbeats Pro will not blow you away. I think if you want audio to blow you away, you should probably go with a pair of over-the-ear headphones. that also have noise cancellation, you'll get better value for $250 or maybe even $150 if you're looking for noise cancellation over the ear headphones. What's actually really interesting is what I noticed is that the Bose QC35-2s and the Sony WH-1000 XM3s, which are a pair of over-the-ear headphones, they were recently on sale for $299. They are now back up to $350. So these automatically become more attractive due to the fact that they are overall cheaper, but you know, if you want an extraordinary experience, go with a pair of over-the-ear headphones that are going to cost a little bit more. Anyways, you're actually getting a lot of technology packed into these things. You're getting the Apple H1 chip. You're getting a new and improved sound driver, sound engine. You're getting all types of improvements with the touch controls inside the stem. I mean, just think about the manufacturing that goes into making these tiny components for these really magical pair of earbuds that have noise cancellation and sound really good. I can't wait to do some further testing with these AirPods Pro. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions. My name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next video.